So if you're wondering what I'm doing, I am trying to scratch my paint. Anyway, this door latch, I've broken about 4 of these since I started doing systems in here. Let's see if I can get it open. There's one side. There we go. Let's see how it breaks that. There's like a little stud that it goes on right there, and it keeps breaking them. So we're gonna replace it again. So what I'm doing is, you can see how this goes up on that little stud right there. There's supposed to be this little retainer clip, whatever you want to call it, holding it on there, but they break off, so I have to get new door handles because it won't let me open it. So this is what we're about to do. This is about the 4th one that I've replaced. So we're gonna get after this, doing that. Oh yeah. Don't tell anybody that I'm doing my own work, because they won't like me anymore. So just keep it on the down low. Best angle to the camera at to a little footage on here.
Did you ever figure out what you did with your dad's Allen wrenches?
Oh, it probably didn't work.
Try and find them, because he was fussing about them not being in the thing yesterday.
Alright, so off with the old one right here. You can see, old. And here's the one I'm going to be using. So let's get it put on there. Alright, so we got the other one put on there. All I have to do is tighten up the bolts now. Alright, so after some technical difficulties, let's try this again. Shut the door. Oh my god! Alright, so we just had to drill out these holes right here because these were too flimsy to hold my rod. So we had to drill these out so they would accommodate these bigger ones right here. So just gonna stick these in here like this. And stick this other one in here like so, and we'll get it stuck on there with the right stuff now. So see what we can do. There we go. Now let's try it again. Beautiful. Yes, sir. I call that a job complete. Booyah. All up in there. Perfect. Just like it's supposed to. Alright, so we got the door all put back together and finished up. And this is what it's gonna look like going to Spring Break Nationals. You think paying the amount of money I did, that it would look really nice, and that it would have got finished off and not look like garbage up here. But what do you expect when you have people that think that I don't know what's going on behind the scenes continue to take advantage of someone just because of that reason. It's pretty sad. Pretty sad. That's alright.